In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix headphones connected but no sound on Windows 11. So you'll have to go and right click on this sound example here and click on sound settings. This will take you here. So here you should find every speaker that you have. As example, I'm just going to plug in a speaker or headphones. And as you can see, a new speaker has added. So for me, it was one speaker and now one added. Let me just go and remove it so you can see it. And now I'm going to plug it again. So if you have this example option selected on another speaker, just go and select the speaker that you have. It selects it the same outputs that you plug. Basically, it's your headphones. It should be your headphones. As an example for me here, it is Logitech Pro X gaming headset. Make sure to also set it as default. How to do so? Just go and open an example control panel. In here, look for sound. Click on this option and simply go to playback. And here on your speakers, just right click on it and click on set as default. As an example for me, it's already default. So if I go and click on other options like this one, I'll be able to set this as default. But for you, you will have to go and set it as your default. So once you're done with this, this should make your headphones working. The sound should be working. Also, make sure to check your volume. An example of the speaker is 100%. It's not on mute. And if both those didn't work, you can go and try to run the audio troubleshooter. You can go to the settings example and go to system, go to troubleshoot. So just scroll down a little bit. Here is it. Just going to click on that. And here, an example, you can go click on other troubleshooters. And basically, you'll have to go to audio and click on run. So once you do so, you'll have to follow the steps, and it's often auto fixes the driver or config issues. It's one of those. Other than that, you can go on updates and reinstall audio drivers. You can go, an example, and look for device manager. In here, you'll be able to go and locate the sound option. So where's the sound? Here's it at the bottom, so sound. And right here, as example, you'll have to go and select, So just go and select sound, then as example, you'll have to select the one that you have. And here you can right click and click on update driver. And if it still doesn't work, just go and right click on it, click on install, and then you'll have to replug it again, unplug it, then replug it again. And if it still doesn't work, an example, after reinstalling the device, you'll have to go and restart your PC, and Windows will reinstall the fresh drivers on boot. And if none of those works, you can just go and try another port, an example, or headphones, just to try if the port is working. So try, an example, a trusted headphones that work in another device with the same port. If that is good, that means the port is working. And you can just try the same headphones on another device and check if the headphones are working as well. So yeah, that should be the fixes. That should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.